Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are doing order of operations and this is part 4 for order of operations in which we are going to do nested parentheses. So let's start. First question is solve this equation 12 minus 4 times with 11 plus 42 divided by 7. So we have to follow the PEMDAS rule. So as I told you in PEMDAS we call in Dubai and US and BODMAS in India, right? So P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction in PEMDAS. In BODMAS, B stands for bracket, O stands for order, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So let's follow the rule. So what do you mean by parenthesis? First of all, you should know the brackets which we have, just like we have curved bracket, we have square bracket, then we have curly bracket. So we have to solve all of these and these are known as parentheses. Okay. So here we have 12 minus 4. So first of all, we have to solve the parenthesis. So 12 minus 4 is 8. And then I am going to write the whole equation as it is. You have to follow the steps because steps matters a lot. Each and every step you will get mark for each and every step, right? Now, according to this one, if we multiply and then divide or divide then multiply. So I am dividing first or multiplying first. So let's start with PEMDAS. I am multiplying it first. So 11 times 8 is 88 plus 42 divide by 6. Now I am dividing. So 6 times 7 is 42. 88 plus 7, you will get 95. Now, if I divide first and then do the multiplication, you will get the same answer. I'm doing it here. So if I am dividing first, I divide it first here. After this step, I'm writing here. So 8 times 11 is 88 plus 7, you will get the same thing. Okay. I hope you are understanding what I am teaching you right now. Next, we have this question. So whenever we have three different parentheses, how are we going to solve it? We have to solve this first, then second, and then third. So first we have to solve this. So 3 times how much is 12? 3 times 4 is 12. Rest of the things I am writing as it is. Now outside the bracket, we have this bracket as well. This curved bracket. So 11 minus 2 is 9. Next step is I'm solving this bracket. That means 36 minus 4 is 32. Sorry, it is minus 5, not divide. Minus 5. Then curly bracket, divide by 9. 32 minus 5 is how much? It is 27, divide by 9. And 9 times how much is 27? It's 3. So look, what I did, I solved it step by step. What was my first step? My first step was to solve this curved bracket. I solved this bracket and this bracket. In the second step, I solved this bracket. That means my square bracket. And in the third step, what I did, I solved the curly bracket and that's how I got my answer quickly. If you follow the steps, you will never get failed in these questions because parenthesis is all about following the rules. Now here we have to solve the curve bracket first. So 21 minus 17 is 4 and I am writing rest of the questions as it, rest of the things as it is, rest of the numbers as it is. Now I am solving the square bracket. So first of all, according to PEMDAS, what I will do, I will divide first here. Divide first. So if I don't know how to divide directly or mentally, I can use this method. This is your long division method. So 4 times 1 is 4. So we left with 2 and we have to bring down 8. So 4 times how much is 28? So 4 times 7 is 28. So my answer is 17. Now I will write 17 minus 8. Still, it's not completely solved. So I am not writing it outside the bracket. I have to put bracket. Now 17 minus 8 is 9. Okay. And now I have to remove the bracket because I have completely solved it. So now 9 times 3 is 27. And this is my final answer. Now, next we have this question. Start with this bracket. So 15 minus 7 is 8. Rest of the things as it is. Now 19 minus 8 is 11. So you have this thing, right? You can solve this part also. 7 times how much is 28? So we can solve it here also. 7 times 4. So we left with this thing because it is outside the bracket. So we can solve it. So 11 times 4 is 44 plus 6. So 44 plus 6 is 50. So 50 is your answer. I hope you are getting this. We are following the rules only. There is nothing different. Now next we have to solve this bracket first. So 20 minus 12 is 8. 20 plus 10 is 30. Now put the sign in between and rest of the numbers. Now according to PEMDAS, I have to multiply first. So 8 times 30 is 240 plus 20. I have to put them in bracket because I have not completed it yet. So now 240 plus 20 is 260 minus 3. So 260 minus 3 is 257. Okay, now we have next question. So we have to solve this bracket first. So 18 minus 6 is 12. Here we have 18 minus 12. This bracket times with 10 curly bracket minus 2 times 13. So here we can solve this also in the next step. Here I am solving this first. 18 minus 12 is 6. We left with this bracket only. And here 13 times 2 is 26. Now 10 times 6 is 60. 60 minus 26. So 10 minus 6 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3. 34 is my answer. I hope you are getting the questions how I am solving. So basically you have to understand this thing. You have to solve this first, then this, and then this. So that's how you have to solve your equations and then you have to move ahead. Now we have to solve this first. So 7 minus 2 is 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So you can write directly 1 times 2. This is times. Now 3 times how much is 36? 3 times 12. So I solve this outside because this is outside the bracket. So I have solved it. So 12 times 2 ones are 2. So 12 times 2 is 24. Isn't it easy? Yes, now? So start solving with me. Next we have this question. First of all, solve this. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. We have curly bracket outside. Then square bracket, we have to solve this. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 4. Now curly bracket, divide by 4. Curly bracket, 12 times. 8 plus 4 is 12. Curly bracket, divide by 4. 12 times 12 is 144. Divide by 4. So if you divide 144 with 4, so 4 times 3 is 12 and 4 times 6 is 24. So 36 is the answer. How I got this? You can use long division method. 4 times 3 is 12 minus you will get 2. Putting down 4. So 4 times 6 is 24. And that's how you got 36. You got it now? Okay. Let's move ahead to the next one. Solve this bracket first. So 18 plus 12 is 30. 30 plus 6 is 36. We have 6 minus 36 divided by 9. So 36 Wait for a second, I'm writing it again. 36 divided by 9, this is in the square bracket. 6 minus, this is in the curly bracket, and 20 times. Now, 9 times how much is 36? 4. Then again curly bracket. 6 minus 4 is 2. And again we have 20 times 2. So that is 40. 40 is my answer. Now next we have this question. Solve this first. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. Can we do that? We have to follow the PEMDAS rule. We can subtract, but we have to multiply first. So we have to do 3 times 2, 6 first. And here 12 minus 3 is 9, and we have minus sign in between. Okay? You have to follow the PEMDAS rule always. Okay. Now 9 minus 3, 9 minus 6 is 3. So this is your square bracket. This is your curly bracket. So 2, I'm writing it like this so that there should be no confusion at all. 3 times 2 is 6 times 4. Now again, according to the PEMDAS rule, I have to follow the multiplication first. So 6 times 4. Is it fine if I'm doing so? It's not multiplication, sorry. It's addition. Here I put multiplication instead of addition because here we have plus sign. So here I need to put plus sign. Sorry for that. I have to do addition first. So we can do this way also because 4 is my positive number, 12 is my positive number. 12 plus 4 is 16 and 16 minus 6 is 10. And then we have 3 times 10 is 30. That's how you can do. Or you can do 12 minus 6 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. Then also you will get the same number. Okay. I hope you understood this and you got the rule that how we have to find out the answer for the nested parenthesis, how we have to solve, how we have to follow the PEMDAS. So please like, share, and subscribe so that you can get these type of videos because I'm going to solve all these things on regular basis. That's all for today, and we will meet again in next class. That's all. Thank you.